Alright, what's up guys? Alright, we got this 1/14 scale Rlaarlo. So we're gonna do some speed runs. We got 2S battery. So hopefully we can get some runs in without worrying about too many cars. Oh yeah, we got the Micro X2. You can see right there, Micro X2 Mamba, and we got a Castle 6350 kV in there. So looks like we got some oh, my son's home. So yeah, this was a metal chassis, but we changed it over. I do have another wheelie bar, so we gotta fix this. Fix this.
Hi.
What's up, buddy? All right. So we get so we got it. It's tracking it. So we're gonna hit the track. Stop it. It reads. So we got 4. Go back to that. All right. Let's see what we get. See if we can get some runs without any cars. Probably you ain't gonna be able to. It's probably like stop it, and we're gonna read it. So we got 55. Not bad. All right, let's see what we get again. But it's like everybody and brother's gotta come now. Alright, we'll do one more run. Alright, we'll stop and we'll read it. So we got 59 miles an hour. 59, so hopefully you guys can see that. 59. So we have 59 miles. So not bad for this little 114, and that's on 2S. 2S. So we gotta figure out another area. This area is kind of too busy at the moment at times, and yeah, like to rip it on a 3S battery. So yeah, so if you don't mind, sub to the channel, check it out. I got a 112 scale I'm gonna redo with the same setup. So we'll see what we get on that. So if you don't mind, check out the video, thumbs it up, and subscribe. All right, and get the note bell, be able to see other stuff. All right, check you out later.